Hi guys, today's teardown. It will be the factory seal breaking on this Soviet made, so it looks to be a mega ohm indicator. It is industrial quality. It is rated for 230 volts up to 500 Hertz. And on the back we have hookings, it seems, for connect to two phase from the mains onto the ground. So I have no clue what it does exactly, because trying to measure mega ohms on between two phases, yes, maybe to check insulation between phases, but you should better do it with no power applied. So I got this from Soviet electrical panel I purchased from eBay. It was really a piece of crap in very bad condition. This was almost the only good part I could take out of it. Most of the other things were junk, completely ruined. But this seemed to be in a decent condition, so I kept this part and for quite a long time, and I didn't, in fact, never open it. As you can see, we still have the factory seals here and here on this slotted nut that I will need to undo. I need to undo the 4 slotted nuts here in order to pull the front piece, then undo the 3 screws in order to push the insides, and we should be able to see what there is, how it is made. You can see there is a pretty decent and serious rubber seal all around inside, and the glass also seems pretty thick. So I guess it is quite well made, but first I have to fight with slotted nuts here. So let's do it. Okay, honestly, it could have been worse. They were not too difficult to remove. Now I should be able to push out this front piece, which is probably glued in place by the seal. I do not want to break the glass, of course. Ah, here we are. Quite easy. So it is fun. You can see the glass is actually round, not, and this comes over. Seems to be die cast metal. Now I have this very serious rubber seal that I think I need to pull out, or maybe I can push the wall internals. I have one more screw to undo. So maybe I can just push the internals like so. Yes, it is definitely pushing on the seal, but it is really well sealed since 1979. So it should come off. Probably we have also a seal at the back here. So what to do? Can I try? Where is my Swiss knife? So I can try to. This glass is regular round glass, so if I break it, it is not a too big deal. I could replace it, I guess. Oh, it is coming, little bit at a time. Ready? We can be pretty sure this was never opened. Maybe it is under vacuum also, or something like this. Maybe. So it should be nice to try to get some air inside. Now we have air inside. The rubber seal is tearing off air. But now at least I must be able to push it outside, out of the thing completely. So the glass is out, and this rubber seal, just remove it like so. Try not to damage the needle at least. Yes, so it looks like it is going deeper. So I will reglue it a little bit before I install it. And now it is interesting. We have a pretty serious die-cast piece here. Assembly. Can I pull on it? It should come off because it must be loose at the rear side, but no. So I guess I need to finish removing this first. Not sure how deep it goes. It is very well sealed. I suspect this piece continues all at the bottom, and it is the same piece doing the seal at the back here. So this is moving a little bit. Oh, now we are going somewhere. Not sure what moved. This back piece is loose now, and yes, I can see a red seal. Here we are. Quite amazing, this thing. No, it is not the same seal. So we have one seal here at the back and the other part here all around for that front seal. So what do we have inside this? We have 3 terminals. First we have a case, as you can see, pretty serious aluminum thing, quite well made. We have this backing plate in bakelite with terminals, and we have a little board with some resistors, galvanometer movement, and one big bulging capacitor. So seal all around. backplate here for the dial is die-cast aluminum. In fact, it is this piece. And little dial here, where you can see all the information about the device. For galvanometer aficionados. So we have the manufacturer logo. Excuse me, light issues. Okay, manufacturer logo here. Serial number, manufacturing date 1979. Range informations, and more informations here. It is designed to be, I know this is for alternative current, I know it means this is for vertical installation, it works vertically, yes, because it was on an electrical panel. Here means it is a galvanometer, I believe, on the other diode, I don't know why, and little star here. So you see 0 is on the right side as the most ohm-meters. So it just measures something through these capacitors must be a current voltage dropper capacitor probably. And it is all. So really the case is really strong, with a very strong seal, so I believe you are not going to have any leak issues in this thing. And I can just see, in fact, I did not tear off this piece. It is a separate piece from this, it seems. Yes, looks like it is a separate piece. So I just need to reglue a little bit here maybe, and it will be alright. Okay, so I had this device for years, and it is only today I have a look inside, quite and share it with you. Quite interesting. Now we'll try to put this back together. Thanks for watching, bye bye.